How to use the calendar on an LG phone. The calendar application included on your LG phone is the Google Calendar app. This app allows you to add events and reminders and have them sync to your Google account. We'll show you how to create, edit, and delete events, and change the calendar view and settings. Create a new event. To create a new event, open the Calendar app, then tap on the plus sign at the bottom right. Fill out the necessary information with title, date, start and stop time. Choose what kind of notifications you want, emails or normal phone notifications, and when you want them, such as 5 minutes before the event, 1 hour before, 1 day before, etc. Once the event is filled out, tap on Save at the bottom right. Edit an event. To edit an event, tap on the event in the calendar, then tap on the pencil icon at the top right. Make the desired changes, then tap on Save at the bottom right. Delete an event. To delete an event, tap on the event in the calendar. Then tap on the trash bin icon at the top right. Tap on Delete. Change calendar view. To change the current calendar view, tap on the 3 lines at the top left, then tap on the desired view for day, week, month, year, or agenda. View and modify calendar settings. To view and modify calendar settings, tap on the 3 dots at the top right, then tap on Settings, then find and modify the desired setting or settings. Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your phone.